Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the site actually injects Google's prompt. Open your codebase and find the Google accounts, ID or one-tap script. Once found, make a backup and switch to a dev branch so you can safely edit. Next, locate the call to Google accounts, ID, initialize and any Google accounts, ID, prompt, invocations. You will stop that call. Make sure you also note any data auto prompt attributes in your HTML so you can change them next. Now you modify the implementation, remove or comment out any Google accounts, ID, prompt, call so the browser never triggers the UI. Then in your initialization config set auto select false, and if your HTML uses data auto prompt, change it to false or remove the attribute entirely. If your page loads the GID onload block, delete or disable that script. Once done, test pages where the prompt appeared to confirm the prompt no longer runs. Finish by deploying to staging, clear caches and test in multiple browsers and private windows so stored credentials don't mask results. If the prompt still appears, inspect for injected scripts, extensions, or third-party plugins that re-add Google accounts, ID, prompt. Once found, remove or disable that integration. As a troubleshooting tip, open DevTools, use network and sources to search for Google accounts, ID or GID onload. This reveals any remaining.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.